Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, just open settings. So we have to open settings. For that, we will right click on the start icon and simply click on settings. Then we will go to the network and internet settings. Scroll down and just click on these three lines, and here it is, network and internet. Once we are here, we need to just scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Again, go to the network reset and click on reset now. Select S and the Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. Before the shutdown process, we have to do some steps. Just go to the search bar, type your device manager, open it, then go to its network adapters. So where it is, here it is. Expand these, right click on the particular device, open its properties, go to drivers tab, select update drivers and click on search automatically for drivers. If this not works, then you can select the second option, then go for the let me pick from the list of available drivers on my computer, select the model and click on next. This will take few seconds and the Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Once done, close all windows one by one and then open settings again, then go to the network and internet, go for its proxy, go to the user proxy server, click on setup, edit, and you can simply disable this option. If it's enabled, then you have to disable this option. Click on save and close this window, then restart the system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our pinned comment. It will help you a lot quickly and more effectively to fix this issue. And that's it guys, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.